Welcome to this narrated slideshow. I am Patrick Mackey. I'm a chartered environmental health practitioner and currently working as a lead EHO for health and safety at Argyll and Bute Council. This presentation has the following objectives: to show you some of the types of spa pools and hot tubs that are out there, to outline why spa pools are Legionella risk systems, to review Legionella risk assessment for spa pools, to look at treatment and testing of spa pools, both in commercial spas and particularly the holiday let sector, to outline the guidance available for operators and regulators, to look at monitoring and testing requirements, and to review the guidance on enforcement of standards in spa pools. So what's a spa pool? Spa pool is a term used to denote various facilities that are designed for sitting in rather than swimming, with a water temperature usually above 30 degrees C, but more generally between 37 and 40 degrees C. They're usually aerated, contain treated water, and are not cleaned, drained or refilled for each user. In this respect, they differ from whirlpool baths, which are typically drained between users. Spa pools may be located indoors or out, and are known by a wide range of names including spa pools, whirlpool spas, heated spas, bubble baths, hot tubs or jacuzzis. Jacuzzi is a trade name that tends to get used generically. Personally, I tend to refer to built-in units of the commercial type as spa pools, and the freestanding types also used in the domestic setting as hot tubs. Spa pools and hot tubs can also be fitted with various other devices to enhance the bathing experience, including bubblers, misters and waterfalls. This is a waterfall device fitted on a jacuzzi brand hot tub. Spa pools are found in a wide variety of settings, including hotels, health clubs, gymnasia, sports centres, swimming pools and holiday homes. We have identified locally that we have around 54 sites in Argyll and Bute where spa pools and hot tubs are made available to the public. These sites are generally hotels, leisure complexes and holiday lets. No doubt there are many more to be found. We know from talking to the operators of holiday homes that they are being strongly encouraged by some letting agents to install hot tubs. Spa pools of the conventional type fall into two categories. The conventional type without a balance tank is now rare. The vast majority are of the overflow type, in which the water level is maintained constant, with excess water transferred to a balance tank. This is a conventional built-in spa pool. There are a couple of things to notice in this photograph. Firstly, the pool operates on a timer so that the water is aerated for 15-minute intervals with 15 minutes gaps. This allows the disinfectant levels to correct themselves between uses. Also, the maximum recommended contact time for bathers is 15 minutes. The other notice, not very legible, advises of the maximum number of users at any one time and restricts use to 16-year-olds and over. This is the plant room below the same spa pool. The balance tank and the sand filter are indicated. This is another example of a spa pool in a hotel leisure complex. And this is the sand filter for that pool. This is a third hotel leisure complex with a spa pool. However, this one is a domestic type hot tub with only manual dosing of disinfectant. We're taking enforcement action at this site. Domestic type pools, which I refer to as hot tubs, are okay in certain circumstances, but only when they're used by a single, small group of people. The Health Protection Agency guidance is clear about the limited range of application for domestic hot tubs, which are essentially single holiday let only. Any spa pool used by 2 or more holiday let units must be of the commercial type and operated and maintained accordingly. In all cases, pools must be drained down for cleaning and disinfection on a weekly basis. This is an example of a domestic jacuzzi hot tub which is installed at a hotel suite for the sole use of the occupants of that suite. To summarize, domestic hot tubs can be used as follows: in private settings, where we have no regulatory interest; for single-use commercial settings, such as holiday lodges and single hotel rooms or suites. In these cases, domestic hot tubs are acceptable, provided they're managed as commercial spa pools. This will require that the pool is continuously dosed with an oxidizing biocide, checked on a daily basis, and drained, cleaned, and disinfected weekly. Commercial spa pools must be used in all other shared settings, such as leisure complexes or where shared between a number of premises or holiday units. These should ideally be of a deck-level overflow design with separate filter and continuous chemical feeder system.